so fun to do. Just vibrant in color. I used some metallics in here. So I had Color Flash and metallic blue, Laguna blue. I'll list my colors down below in the description box. These paints in the bottles here, I did have mixed with silicone and Floetrol. These here, I just mixed with a little bit of Floetrol and some GAC 800. And got beautiful selling. Just absolutely beautiful cells. And my little silicone sink strainer that I bought at the dollar store makes beautiful flowers. Just need a couple dabs of different colors. Let it sit for a second, lift it up, and move it somewhere else. And then you can come back with your pop stick and kind of embellish it a little bit and tweak it, add a little paint to it, you know, make them more of an abstract flower. If it doesn't look like it's coming out the way you want, you can really add to it. But I love it. I love these so much. And I'm a resident artist down at the Missouri Artists on Main Street Gallery in St. Charles, and I was called yesterday and said that I sold 2 of these that I had hanging in a set of 4. So I need to get back at it and replenish what I've sold so I can get my wall filled in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and we'll see you next time.